Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back, and let's talk about something very interesting today because the market maker is cooking. He's actually cooking something delicious, and I can smell it. I don't know if you can actually smell it or not. A lot of people don't even figure this out, but it's something new to you and something that may not make sense to you as what PEPE is doing. So okay, this is fun. How many of you right now, if you're trading short term, you don't understand how random this move really is, right? It's moving just up and down however it wants to do. But what if I tell you that from November 14th of November until today, it's almost been a month, but nothing of this move was actually manipulated, and it wasn't even random at all, but it was actually a very master crafted move right here. This is not manipulated. It is not, and this video is going to tell you why it is actually not manipulated. It's actually a beautiful geometry, and it is not rocket science. I'm not saying I'm going to reveal the best and the most craziest pattern in the world, but noticing it takes a really good eye for detail. So if you just like this video right now, that would be amazing, because not only is it appearing on PEPE, but I'm going to show you other different coins that this has actually appeared to. So first of all, on your left screen, we're going to go down to this brush and click on the small drop down here and click on the curve, right? And I'm going to take this curve from here, and then I'm going to put it all the way right into probably right there. And I'm going to actually push it just a little bit lower and try to adjust its position. And there, as you can see, that this is just what I actually wanted to show you. And I just want to give you a proof that whatever was going on was not really random. So there it is. Okay, it wasn't random at all. I'm just going to tweak it a little bit more to make it perfect, aligned with all the touches going on. I think it's more better like this, right? The wicks can be forgiven, but yes, the first touches happened, second touch happened, third touch happened, the fourth touch right over there, the fifth touch right over here, the sixth touch right over here. So it is a rounded bottom, and that's the name of the pattern. Whatever I actually just draw is known as rounded bottom pattern right there. So I'm actually going to show you for your knowledge so that you can increase something. And this has been appearing for a long time, as you can see just right over here. We just need a breakout right now. So basically we need this higher resistance to be broken right over there. Now if we do extend everything together, we get a time until 14 December. So today is 12, and in the next 2 days we will start to see a break. And if you actually start to go back up again, you're going to go from the top to bottom, and that's going to be, if you buy now, can you buy now, and put a stop at 451, okay? Put a stop at 451 and try to see if you can get 32%. I think it's a very good deal right now. You could actually do that. So if you end up just doing something where you could actually go pop up, and then you're good to go to 625 as your next technical target. And that's it for the video. Again, like would be appreciated, because this took me some time to realize it, and maybe just a fine work, and I guess not because I did it, or I don't want to say I did a good job, but I think I actually did a good job today. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.